Today we're looking at another space heater, this time by DREO. It's got 1500 watts. This one also moves back and forth or oscillates up to 70 degrees. Also has a 1 to 12 hour timer. And this one's quite a bit smaller than I thought it would be. They're advertising this one heats faster and runs safer. It's got tip over protection, overheat protection, also is flame retardant, and has an enhanced safety plug. It's got a brushless motor with 9 blades, where some of the others out there only have 3. Inside the box, you've got a user manual, safety and warranty information, pretty small remote control here, has nice silicone buttons on it. You've got power, heat level plus or minus, mode, mute, oscillation, and timer. Here in the back, looks like you can take the back panel off. Looks like you'd be able to clean this out pretty easily. Sort of have a handle there right above that. Pretty nice, simple design overall. Then you've got some touch control buttons here on the top. Power, oscillation, plus and minus for the temperature, and then mode button there in the middle. Then it has a 30-second countdown once you hit the power off before it actually shuts down. Now, as far as how loud this is, you can hear the fan noise on here a little bit, but this feels really quiet. Definitely not as loud as some of the fans I've used in my office. And this one heats up pretty quick as well. If you're looking for a small space heater, this one definitely feels like you get good value for the price. This can go up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can be switched to just fan mode as well. Just for a quick size comparison, this one is about half the size of the 1500 watt Lasco space heater that I just got recently. So you could use this one just about anywhere since it's pretty small and compact. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.